What's up everyone? Thank you for checking out this video today. If the title of this video brought you to my channel in this video, welcome. Thanks for checking it out. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be performing the linking the new remote that I bought for my 350Z. They're not programmed, so I'm going to be programming it to my Z. This will work for any Nissan that has this style key fob. Just over the years, the key fob gets worn out, broken, all that types of stuff just from wear and tear. I've had my Z for many, many years. So I went on eBay, or you can go on Amazon, I think they have them, purchased a new key fob, so today I'm going to be resetting it or programming it to the car. This is a really easy reset procedure, and if you type this in on Google, you'll find a lot of write-ups on how to do this. I think it may be even in the user manual, not sure, don't quote me on that, but a lot of people, like myself, are visual learners. It's easier just to watch a video and see someone actually doing this procedure, and then, it's 2021, so most people just have their phones in their pocket, they can pull it out, YouTube, how to reset Nissan remote, and there it is. So just to show you that this doesn't work, I'm pressing unlock, lock. This does not work. This is an unprogrammed remote, and the first thing we have to do is get in the car. Alright guys, so we're in the car. We're going to now enter the relearn mode so we can pair up this remote. So the first thing we're going to do is shut the door. On your door, press the lock button. Door is locked. Then you take the key, and you're going to insert it and remove it into the ignition quite rapidly, about 6 or 7 times within 10 seconds. You'll do it until the hazards blink twice. So go ahead and do that. And I don't know if you caught that, but they blink twice. Then you stick the key in, turn it to accessory. Don't start the car. Then you press any button. And when you press that button, the hazards will blink twice. So there you go. We press the lock button, and it blinked twice. If you have another remote, you can go ahead and do unlock and lock and repeat pressing the button on the remote. But since I only have one, then what we do is we take the ignition or the key out of the ignition. You unlock the door and open it, and that should take you out of the learning mode. So then, if we shut the door and test it out, the key fob now works. There's unlock and lock. Alright guys, so that's how you reset your Nissan key fob, any Nissan that has this style. Super easy. You can get this off of eBay and Amazon for a few bucks. Reprogram it yourself. That way you don't have to go to any dealers and charge whatever fee they'll charge you. So just want to make this video so it was helpful for you guys. Again, really simple to do. Go for it. And I hope this step-by-step instruction helps you program it successfully. So thanks for checking out this video. If you liked it, if it was helpful to you, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I try to provide videos like this, either DIY videos or how-to videos, just to kind of give back to the community, show you guys how to do these repairs or these these reprogrammings, and just save you guys a few dollars. So thanks again for watching the video. Whatever you guys do, keep working on your cars, and I'll see you next time.